In the green space of Ivanhoe, Melbourne, an old residence underwent a major transformation, bringing a contemporary touch without losing its original character. The new extension is bold, with bold geometric shapes, warm wood cladding, and subtle curves that give the facade a vibrant, distinctive feel. The project utilized a modular system that was pre-assembled in a factory before being transported to the building site. This method allowed for a faster, neater construction process with minimal disruption for the homeowners. The main modular structure could even be installed in a single day, ensuring time efficiency without sacrificing design quality. The living room is the center of daily activities, enhanced by an open-plan layout that unites the kitchen, dining room, and gathering area. The kitchen is functional with modern details, while floor-to-ceiling windows offer views of the lush greenery of the rear garden. The atmosphere is light and airy, making this space ideal for family activities. In the dining area, column-free corner sliding doors create a captivating element. When opened, the boundary between interior and exterior disappears, creating a space that flows seamlessly to the terrace and garden. The interplay of light, air, and the views outside makes the house feel more spacious and lively. The upper floor is dedicated to private spaces, including the master suite, which overlooks the garden. Vertical wooden screens in this area provide privacy without blocking light, while also creating an interesting visual rhythm. Warm wood materials and oak floors provide continuity from public to private spaces. Beyond aesthetics, the house was designed with great attention to comfort and efficiency. Cross-ventilation, high insulation, and natural light help maintain a stable temperature throughout the year. With its combination of thoughtful design, gently flowing spaces, and a strong connection to the surrounding nature, this residence exemplifies how a modern extension can seamlessly integrate into everyday life.